Hey Alex, it's Orlando. I appreciate you clicking on this video. In this video, I really just want to show you three things that you guys are able to implement yourself to your website to get you guys more customers through the door. And Alex, you're probably asking, why would I send you a video like this? The reason being is I know that a lot of business owners are really just busy running their business to kind of come in here, look at their internet, and see how it truly impacts the growth of a business. And I've realized even when there's a time to really give it to somebody and hire somebody out, there's a hesitation there because you don't know who's an expert and who isn't. And with videos like this, I've seen that by sending them videos like this with tips and tricks and just an informative video has resulted in some of these companies coming back and saying, hey, you know what, Orlando, we would like to work with you. So Alex, if you like what you heard by the end of this video, send me a message or give me a call. We'll chat. So the three things that I really want to talk about, Alex, here is content citation and backlinks. Now, content is going to be the most important thing, and not only just the amount of content, but what's in your content, and this is going to be including pictures and videos. So what we've seen has been working and what's had websites on this first page of this organic search here has been about 1,500 to 2,000 words worth of content. So if we come in here and we actually grab up all the content that you're gonna have on your page, and like I said, it is gonna be including pictures and videos throughout your page. So if we come in here and we grab everything and we go to this word count to count all this stuff, we're gonna see. So you have well over 2,000. So that hits that mark. So with content, you should be okay with the type or the number of content should be fine. So now we're gonna have to just really look at the type of content. So by adding keywords or key phrases in there is really what's gonna kill it and knock it out of the park and what's gonna separate you from your competition. So what a keyword or key phrase is simply something that somebody would type into this search bar engine. So in this case, I put roofing companies in Pueblo, Colorado. If you could see here that that's getting 210 searches every single month. So by you guys not being on this first page, you guys are missing out on a lot of potential clients. And I believe that you guys are actually on like the fourth or fifth page for the roofing companies in Pueblo, Colorado. So by you guys being on that page, you guys aren't really going to get a whole lot of visits from that. So if we come in here and we copy this and see if we can actually find that into your website, so you can see that even though you guys have a lot of content in there, um, these key phrases that are actually being searched for aren't in there, aren't implemented. So I would just highly suggest that maybe you just go over your content and see if you can throw that in there a couple times, maybe even renaming pictures and videos as that. So if we come in here and we look at a picture like this, save image as, you can see that it just says man placing shingles, Pueblo, Colorado. So you can throw in the roofing company's Pueblo, Colorado, rename that, maybe even some of this commercial stuff. Let's see, save image, residential, solar residential panels, Pueblo, Colorado. So that's good. But all of these can do that same exact same thing, renaming all of these pictures and videos, just naming them the proper keyword or key phrase is going to get you found. And this is just an example of just one. This is, I mean, multiple keywords and key phrases that you guys are able to implement into your website. The second thing that I want to talk about, and now we'll get you into here. The second thing that I want to talk about is backlinks. Now, with backlinks is going to be this area down here underneath this map area. This is the organic search area. Your backlinks, you want to think about it as a big competition. Google pretty much is just a huge competition. They want to see as many websites linking back to yours, saying you're a trustworthy website as possible. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, so you really want to watch the type of backlinks that you're getting. You don't want to go out there and grab, like, say, a link from a Pizza Hut or a Domino's or some type of restaurant because you guys obviously are in the restaurant game and Google's going to pick up on that and wants to see a website from a relative um, website, relative company. As like roofing, you can do general contractors, maybe a subcontractor you guys have worked with in the past, maybe an adjacent roofing company in Pueblo or Springs or something like that in the near area. Those would be all examples. And what you really want to do to really separate yourself and really get at this top of this organic search area is you really want to see. So in this case, you can see a lot of these bigger companies, Angie's and uh, Better Business Bureau, stuff like that. Those are those bigger websites. But when you get down here, you can see Turner, um, Home Advisor. You could see, I believe, Three Bros are in there. So what you would want to do is you want to see what your competition is doing because obviously what they're doing is working. And if those links are good enough to rank them in this top area, they're going to be good enough for you. So what you would want to do is actually look up the competition that you have. And I'll show you here in a quick second how to do that. But the third thing that I want to talk about is citation. All citation is the name of a company, the address, and the phone number. Now, you want to get your citation or your information in as many directories as possible. Some of those would be like some of these bigger companies that are down here, uh, uh, Better Business Bureau, Facebook, LinkedIn, Yahoo, Yelp. All those are some of those bigger directories. And if you're not already on those directories, I just highly suggest to get your information on there. They're absolutely free. You just have to fill out general information. And again, if you're wanting to be on this, and obviously that's just the deal and with everybody. Everybody wants to be on this thing, but the key is to doing this is seeing what your competition is doing, what Jury Bros, what Colorado Front Range, what Colorado Roof Builders are doing, because like again, exactly the same way as the backlinks work, what your competition has, if it's good enough to rank them in this top three, it's gonna be good enough for you. So this is where this comes in. This tool I use personally is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool, but there's plenty of tools out there on Google that you can look up just backlink checkers, citation checkers, keyword checkers, that you can come in there and look at your competition and see exactly what's going on, and you can check and do the copycat method, like I like to call it, just getting the getting what your competition has and doing what they have, but then just stepping a little bit over that. So you guys have 52 websites ranking or linking back to you, bringing in 300 backlinks, and you're getting found for 68 keywords, but you're only getting three visits every single month on that website. So that's the number that we're trying to push up. So if we look here at Jury Bros, their website, what they have going on. They have 77 referring domains, websites that are bringing them a little bit over 300. They have 364 backlinks. So they have more backlinks and they have more websites that are referring back to them. And they're also getting found for more keywords, which are getting them more visits. But we'll start off with the keywords. How they go about it. When you see here what they have, Roofing Pueblo, Colorado, you can see that they're in third place. Let's see, Roofing Contractors, Pueblo, Colorado, they're in fourth place there. Roofing Contractors, Pueblo, Colorado, they're in seventh. Roofers in Pueblo, Colorado, in sixth. So you can see exactly how they're doing about it. They're doing what they should be doing with their keywords. And if we come in here and look at what you have going on, you can see a little bit of a difference. You can see the solar companies, you can also work on that end as well. So you guys have both going on with roofing and solar. You can see here that you're in 15th place for solar companies in Pueblo, Colorado. So that if that's something that you're trying to boost as well, that's something that we can look into the keywords that are related into the solar companies in Pueblo, Colorado. But you can see here solar roofing near me. You can see 24th position, roofing Pueblo, Colorado in 37th position and going down. Roofing, let's see, Metal Roofing, Colorado Springs, 39th position. Roofing Contractors, Pueblo, Colorado, 36th position. So you guys are just not using those keywords in the right way, or maybe not just using them enough. So what I would just highly suggest is going in there, adding maybe different content, rewriting it a little bit, making it sound a little different, and then adding in this roofing companies in Pueblo, Colorado, in there a couple times, adding in some of these other keywords, solar panels, Pueblo, Colorado, roofing, Pueblo, Colorado, Pueblo roofing, roofing claim specialist, metal roofing, Colorado Springs. All of those are going to really help you guys get ranked. And that's really the thing. So now, Alex, this video is kind of getting a little long. That's kind of a wrap on everything. Content 1,500 words to 2,000. You guys knocked that out of the park, but you guys need to get those keywords in there so you can get organically found in that search. Citations, Yelp, Facebook, all those, but you really want to just look at what your competition has, see what they have going on. Like with Jury Bros, it would be very easy just to come in here and look at what they have. If we come in here and see the websites that they have, all we would have to do is come in here, grab all these websites and see exactly what we would have to do. Some of them you have to pay, some of them you have to just reach out. Others you just sign up, and others They might have to, you like I said, reach out to maybe the owner of the website. So it all just depends on where the website's coming from, exactly how much power it has. But what we would do is just grab the best of what they have here. If they have 77, we would go out there and do 90, just to really knock them out of the park and knock it out of the water and get you ranked up in this first page. Because I know you guys are on that fourth or fifth page, and you guys are likely like that in pretty much all those keywords, for roofing and solar for the most part. So, Alex, I hope that this was an informative video. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I was just trying to be informative about everything. If you would like somebody to try to do this for you and come in here and really just redo this, redo the content and put in the proper content, the proper keywords to get you found, write up the citations and find you the proper backlinks, let me know. Send me a message and we'll chat. I appreciate it. Have a good one.